Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Shelby Cobra 427 SC, and this is by Hotwheels, and I bought it for 179, which is the MRP, and this is from the 57th anniversary edition series. So let's unbox this. So I mentioned this during my prelude video. We did unbox this casting a couple of times before. It came, I think, last year on this rolling metal series, and before that, with that Zamak pack as well. So I'm lucky enough to get that Zamak pack. I still have that with me. uh, you know so I personally actually bought that for the Hudson Hornet because I don't have a Hudson Hornet in any of the brands, so I bought it. So okay, so let's talk about this casting now. Okay, out of the box the casting is absolutely beautiful. So as usually it has some paint issues here. These are paint bubbling. It happens with temperature most of the time. And so there are no headlight details here. It has grill detailing here, which looks nice. And okay, it doesn't have tail light detailing either. I don't know why they are doing this. So far this is the third time we are unboxing this car. None of the casting, none of this uh, Shelby Cobra actually had any of this headlight or tail light detailing. I'm not sure why they are not doing that. So okay, so you can see the exhaust details on the side. So that is actually plastic. So let us come to that in a minute. And so you can see the hood detailing here. And that's not much to talk about because it's very simple casting. So the interior details are here. That looks good. So it may not be on the level of the other three which we unboxed. So this looks pretty basic, as you can see, and it is not even in golden color. I don't know why they didn't do that. So they just, I don't know, they became lazy and they just went with the same old, whatever they did for the past two iterations. So okay, so let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 30 grams. So okay. Okay, one thing I missed to say that is, so okay, the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, including the exhaust here, which is plastic. And so they they went ahead and they gave that golden color for the entire chassis. That really doesn't look good, to be honest, because see, no one is going to look it in this way, with their car, right? And it is not even visible in any angle, to be very honest. So if they given that in this interior, that would have looked really cool. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Wow, that does roll really well. Okay, test 2. Yeah, yeah, that rolls really well, and I'm really happy about it. And okay, so let's rate this casting. So okay, again, this is going to be common for everyone. So I'm taking like point 0.5 for this headlight, or tail light details, because nothing is there. So I'm taking point 0.5 out of that. And I am taking again point 0.5 for this interior here, because again, it is not even consistent with the rest of the cars. So they all have this golden interiors, but this one doesn't have that. At least so far, whatever we unboxed, everything had that golden interior. That looks absolutely awesome, even though the cars had other issues like scratches and this minor things. So I'm taking point 0.5 for that. So because again, this is going to be common for everyone, so that's the reason I'm taking out that point. So I would give like 9 out of 10 for this one. I'm not reducing anything more because it does roll really well on the track. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.